Nice umbrella, Elliot. You can't find a different color besides black. Black is so depressing.
I have to keep the sun out, so black it is. Besides, I don't want to light colors. That's too girly.
I'm forgetting if you go up in the sun, you go burn up. Oh, sure, I never remember.
Why you always be rude to me? You just kiss me and done. You know I want to.
After me now, you bite me in my neck.
Realize from when we each other, when I bite you once?
Yeah, cause you only bite cranny looking girl. That's why you don't bite me. Cause me a hot girl. Ooh. Fuck man, I'm back. Rita, you forget so I have things to do. I will have stuff to study. Are you out here at chat? Seriously? We already do all that already. Why you worry about that so much for? Eh?
Come on Rita, how long do we have to do? I'll talk to you later, alright?
You're so annoying. See here, Elliot, the one is staying for Rita, I better trust you. Feel like you're so user, cause you want to cut down your blood.
So that's why you really come follow me all the way around yourself. You know nothing for do. You don't want you, man, get over yourself.
Then if you stop cover road, she'll start talking to blood. But you're always the road, you can't go back for your business.
Yo, come out of my face, man. I don't have time for no waste man like you, you know.
Oh, the waste man around you. Leave Rita alone. You still up on the laptop there? Go out and go do something now. You're just so boring. Hold on, let me just send out all them report here and then me you can talk. You know, see, brother really get on my nerves. Every single time I talk to Elliot, him always come out of nowhere, coming out fast and I interrupt. You can't talk to him or something. Like, what is his problem anyways? It's just so weird. I mean, we know each other from the look of it. I see him as my brother. I try to tell him that all the time, but he don't like listen. Him really love you off. But no matter how much I tell him, it's always the same thing. Him say him not stop till him get you. Hello, are you from around here? I need to find the bookstore.
Oh yeah, bookstore, the Don.
I like your fangs. You're a vampire, aren't you? From this moment on, you're mine. What the hell happened to your face? Oh, do you feel so? Yeah, Elliot got into a fight. Beat me up. Why the hell were you fighting Elliot? You know your magic isn't even that strong, yet you're picking a fight with a vampire? Where is Elliot? I've been texting him. and I can't seem to reach him.
I don't know where I'm there. Be in the down the shop area.
Well, we're going on there anyways. Forward. Hey, big head boy, you know from when me I text you? Why not pick up your phone?
Rita, me da wait for you.
What the hell I want? Why am I doing Vanessa?
Me da wait for you here all day long, Rita.
Well, that's why I made a text you. You never pick up your phone.
I'm sorry. I've been kind of
That's
busy.
alright.
Your smell is very enchanting, Rita. I love it.
Thanks.
Wait there. You see what I try to do? If I try to bite her neck, I tell you.
Elliot. Yeah, though.
Yo, you. Stop with the hypnotizing thing now. What you trying to do? Leave her alone.
I'm sorry. No, I'm being a trouble to nobody.
What the hell you apologize for?
It's alright. I'm gonna leave right now. I'm sorry.
Rita? You alright? Him never bite you, don't it? You okay?
I think something wrong with Elliot. Him not act like himself. Something really, really wrong. Are you ready for your dinner?